There's a lot of noise out there about AI taking people's jobs, but in construction estimating, that's not really the truth. The reality is artificial intelligence won't take your job, but the estimator who knows how to use AI, they're definitely going to have the advantage. I'm here to break down why ConstructConnect's Takeoff Boost isn't here to replace you, it's here to amplify you. Many people hear the word automation and instantly think of replacement. But let me ask you, can AI interpret design intent? Can it take a look at a spec sheet or spot a scope gap or constructability issues the way that you and I can? No. Takeoff Boost was built as a partner tool. It processes drawings at a very high speed, but you, the professional, remain in the driver's seat. Here's what that partnership looks like in real life. Step 1, you upload the drawings. Step 2, Takeoff Boost scans and identifies key elements like walls, doors, windows, and fixtures all in minutes. Step 3, you review, verify, and refine. The AI handles all the repetition. You handle all the reasoning. Together, that means faster takeoffs, fewer errors, and more time for strategy. Construction is changing fast. Deadlines are tighter, margins are thinner, and competition is sharper. The estimators who thrive are the ones who embrace tools like Takeoff Boost that lets you focus on the high value work, like pricing, relationship building, strategic planning, instead of endless clicking. AI doesn't take away your expertise, it amplifies it. See, when human intuition meets AI precision, projects get bid faster and smarter. If you want to see how AI can become your best estimating partner, log into ConstructConnect's On-Screen Takeoff and try Takeoff Boost for yourself. Because in construction, the best estimators aren't the ones getting replaced by technology, they're the ones being empowered by it.